Hello engineers, another sample problem for Mechanics of Deformable Bodies, Module 5, Torsion. The problem states, the 60 mm diameter shaft is made of 6061-T6 aluminum if the allowable shear stress is 80 megapascals and the angle of twist of disc A relative to disc C is limited so that it does not exceed 0.06 radians. Determine the maximum allowable torque T. So first, establish lang muna natin yung positive direction. Right here. Since that is the positive direction, by right hand rule, ito yung magiging positive rotation natin. So next, sulat lang muna natin, we have the allowable shear stress that is 80 megapascals. We have the diameter 60 millimeters. We have the angle of twist of disc A relative to disc C that is limited to 0.06 radians. 0.06 radians. So since it is limited to 0.06 radians, therefore ito ay less than or equal to 0.06. And then ang hinahanap is the maximum torque T. Since hindi binigay sa problem, but it should be given, let's use the shear modulus of elasticity G equal to 26 gigapascals. Ang next natin is to determine the internal torque. So better if we can graph it. So gawa lang tayo ng projection here. And then here, and then here. Ito yung ating torque, and then the neutral axis. So first, since ito yung ating direction ng positive torque, therefore yung 2/3 T is positive. So we have here 2/3 T. And then from point A to point B, wala tayong applied torque. So that's just constant. At point B, nagkaroon tayo ng application na torque T that is opposite the positive rotation. So this is negative. So from 2/3 T minus T, we have negative 1/3 T. And then from B to C, we have no applied torque. So that's constant. And then at point C, we have applied torque of 1/3 T. Yan. So this one is positive, and then this one is negative. So this graph shows the internal torque from A to B and B to C. You can also determine the internal torque by creating a section between A to B and then B to C. And this should be just the same. Okay, so recalling the formula for angle of twist, we have TL over JG. We have the torque, the length, the polar moment of inertia, and then the shear modulus of elasticity. But in this problem, we have two segments with different internal torques. So phi now becomes the summation of the different segments. So segment 1 is from point A to point B, and this one has 2/3 of T as the torque. And then the length is 1.2 meters. Multiply natin ng 1,000 para maging millimeters. and then divide it by the polar moment of inertia. So we have the diameter 60. So pi over 32 times the diameter 60 raised to 4. And then lastly, we have shear modulus of elasticity, 26 gigapascal, or can be written as 26 times 1000 megapascal. So again, we have here millimeters and then millimeters to the fourth here. And then this is megapascals or Newton per square millimeters. And then next we have the torque here that is negative 1/3 ng T. And then the length is still 1.2 meters multiplied by 1,000 para maging millimeters. And then polar moment of inertia, pi over 32 times 60 raised to 4. And then shear modulus of elasticity, 26 times 1,000 megapascals. And then this should be equal to 0.06 radians. And then the inequality should be less than or equal to 0.06 radians. So solving for T, we have 4.962 kilonewton meters. And that's it. I hope you learned something. This is Engineer Lance. Thank you for watching.